Hello everyone. My name is Abhishek Kumar V. I'm from investment banking. I'm an investment banking intern from development of financial analysis at TEM. So I'm currently in finance team. So this is about the work done in the fourth week, and the main overview of this project will be concerned to the all the work that has been done in the fourth week. So I have completed, or so I have currently selected the top five IT companies. So like HCL financial model was already submitted. So like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and LitMindtree financial model we have also created and submitted. And in this financial model, all the historical analysis over a decade and financial analysis statement and one page company profile, ultimate Z score and do count analysis were covered. And uh, clearly presentation was also done. And the main objective of this project is to give the financial health and like giving the financial performance of these companies, including its historical statement and like all the financial territories and like the companies have recently developed like 2023 to 2024 development reports were also created, and my assigned task was about to analyze the financial data of top IT companies like I already told you. So details, our task detail for like a data collection and data cleaning, historical financial statement analysis, and income statement analysis and balance sheet analysis, cash flow statement analysis, ratio analysis, and profitability analysis. So, like in ratio analysis, there is a liquidity analysis, solvency analysis, and also created a common sense statement forecasting for the next 5 years of each companies and Altman's Z score, which will show the financial stability of the company, and due count analysis, which will break down the ROI and ROE, that is return on investment and return on assets, and also created a one-page company analysis which have a clear breakdown of all the valuation ratios and stockholders and uh, stock performance over the year and last 5 year volume performance. This all covered in the one page company analysis. And this is what about the recent financial performance of 2023. So TCS have grown the profit margin, and Info is trying to connect with AI driven services, and HCL was focusing on creating a cloud platform, and currently the company is merging with various companies, and Wipro have achieved a digital transformation service and rapid growth on that, and Litmindry having a rapid growth over the in last few years, and it has currently merging with various companies. And for me, the best performance on my point of view was LTI Mindtree. Like he's a new company, but he is growing very rapidly. Maybe in future he will go up to maybe TCS or Infosys also. So, and our main goal is to create a TEM Finance website. So currently we are working on that interface. This is the interface that's showing the Excel stock performance. So this is the basic interface, and in future we will creating a like we are just starting. So we are just creating a basic interface which will include the top five IT company stock price and historical statement. So further we can move. So conclusion of this TCS financial model was. Conclusion was that we have created a TCS Infosys, HCL, Wipro, and Littmantree financial model, which highlighted its strength and competitive advantage, and also the revenue and profitability stability. And currently, the company is growing areas. So this I have covered in covered in my financial model, and that's all. Thank you, and that's all about the what I have done in the course. Thank you.